Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the function p is defined by p of n is equal to 7n cubed. And we're asked, what is the value of n when p of n is equal to 56? So let's just write our function down here. P of n is equal to 7n cubed. We're looking for the value of n when p of n is equal to 56, so we just have to plug in 56 for p of n. So 56 is equal to 7n cubed, and now we can solve for n. We want to get n on its own, so we divide both sides by 7. These cancel. We're left with 56 divided by 7, which is 8, is equal to just n cubed. We take the cube root of both sides. The cube root of 8 is 2, since 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. And the cube root of n cubed, no matter what n is, these just cancel, and we're left with n. Therefore, the value of n when p of n is equal to 56 is 2, and A is the final answer.